Welcome to Active Listening in Sales. In this video, we'll explore one of the most powerful skills that separates average salespeople from top performers. Active listening is not just hearing what your customer says, it's understanding what they really need. By the end of this training, you'll know exactly how to listen better, ask smarter questions, and build trust that leads to more closed deals. Active listening means fully focusing on what your customer is saying without planning your next pitch or getting distracted. It's about paying attention to their words, their tone, and what they're not saying. When you listen actively, you're showing your customer that you genuinely care about solving their problem, not just making a sale. This creates trust and makes customers feel valued. Many salespeople fail because they talk too much and listen too little. They jump straight to their product features without understanding the customer's real pain points. Active listening changes this. When you listen first, you uncover the actual problems your customer is facing. You learn what keeps them up at night, and you discover opportunities to position your solution in a way that actually matters to them. This leads to higher close rates and longer customer relationships. There are 3 levels of listening. Internal listening is when you're focused on your own thoughts and how their problem affects you. Focused listening is when you're concentrating on their words. Deep listening is the highest level, where you're attuned to their emotions, their tone, their body language, and the underlying meaning behind their words. As a salesperson, you need to move from internal listening to deep listening. This is where real connection happens. Here are the core techniques to practice active listening. First, minimize distractions. Put your phone away and eliminate interruptions. Second, use the power of silence. After your customer speaks, pause for a few seconds before responding. This shows you're thinking about what they said. Third, ask clarifying questions. Ask what, how, and why questions to go deeper. Fourth, reflect back what you heard. Say something like, "So what I'm hearing is." This confirms you understood them correctly. The best salespeople ask better questions, not better pitches. Open-ended questions invite your customer to share more. Instead of asking, "Do you have budget?" ask, "How is your current budget allocated for this type of solution?" This encourages conversation. Questions show curiosity and genuine interest. They also take the pressure off the customer because you're learning their perspective instead of pushing your agenda. Remember, the person asking the questions controls the conversation. Avoid these common listening mistakes. Don't interrupt. Let your customer finish their thought completely. Don't assume you know what they need before they tell you. Don't think about your response while they're still talking. Don't multitask during a call. Don't use their words as a trigger to launch into your pitch. Don't make it about you by sharing your own stories when they're trying to explain their situation. These habits make customers feel unheard and damage trust. When you master active listening, everything changes. You uncover real needs instead of assuming. You build genuine trust instead of just transactional relationships. You win more deals because your solution actually solves their problem. The customers who feel truly heard become your best advocates and your longest-term partners. This is the foundation of consultative selling, where you become a trusted advisor, not just a salesperson. Start today. Listen more, ask better questions, and watch your sales conversations transform. The skill of active listening will revolutionize not just your sales results, but your entire approach to customer relationships. Remember, every customer wants to feel heard. When you give them that gift through active listening, you've already won half the battle before you even talk about your product.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.